Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? Scored me a tool today. Yep, my favorite brand, y'all know it, Bosch. What could be in that big old box? That's a heck of a box, too. I don't know. I gotta be honest with y'all guys, this is something that I know not a whole lot about. Sorry, trying to get y'all in frame here. This unboxing here is gonna be done in the truck, because scored this joker out on the road. I love Facebook Marketplace. If y'all guys need something, make sure you check out Facebook Marketplace. There are some steals to be had out there. Literally steals. I don't know if it was really stolen. Anyway, ooh, Bosch 1617 EVSPK, the whole entire kit. We got our 2¼ horsepower router. Man, that joker's nice. Brand new, never been used. And the great thing about this is, if I know how that went back on there, I have no idea how it just jumped off. Anyway, something like that, I think. Yep. It comes with a 1/2" collet, and it comes with a 1/4" collet as well. As y'all can see, this legit, brand new, never been used. Then we have our plunge base, which the plunge depth is adjustable via our little screw here, and then we can, well, of course, when it's on the, yeah, alright, you gotta loosen this. Anyway, you guys got the idea. Like I said, unfortunately, I'm not the most inept on a router, so I guess this will be a good learning tool. Yeah, it'll go down. You just got to be in a different position than trying to squeeze it from here. Or I guess if you unlock it, might help. That's how you get it in. Anyway, y'all know the deal. Y'all probably know more about it than I do, that's for sure. But I just really believe in, if I'm going to buy these tools, I'm going to buy the best that I can get. And well, this was a chicken deal. Y'all probably got more, y'all probably paid more in toilet paper than what I paid for this router. That's all I'm saying. And this case itself, I've seen with some other reviews, is really handy because it actually has spaces marked out. Like, this is for the wrench, and then it's actually marked over here for that. Then it actually has a space over here, and it's actually marked out and stuff for other bits and items. Well, actually, bits go down in here. This is actually all marked out for 1/4" bits. Over here is where your 1/2" bits would go. So the case itself, and then there's more markings up here. Your instruction booklet's actually got a pocket in here for the instruction booklet to go. Let me pull this down. Instruction book there, and just some various other accessories that the case actually comes prepared for. So that's really cool. I am super thrilled. I can't wait to, I don't know, chop something up, route something up. Let's go ahead and open this and see what we have get in the package. Of course, we have instruction book. Looks like we have 4 little screws for something. We'll actually have to, yes, I will actually break down and read the instructions and figure out what they're for. And looks there again like 4 the same exact little screws. And what else is in here? We get, oh, is that a, oh, okay. Wow, those jokers are heavy. Those are like old school, weird kind of heavy wrenches. I really don't want to take them out of the package just yet, but I guess I could. But they're actually like steel wrenches. Can y'all see that? Like some kind of old 1950s steel kind of wrench thing. And then there's your depth adjuster wrench, I'm assuming. And then we got, these are a little bit longer. A couple more screws in here, like the ones that are in the other package. There's only 3, and they're a little bit longer than the other 2 packages there. So that's that. What else we got? I guess that is our instant confirmation warranty card. Cool deal. And looks like they give us an extra spare glass piece that I was just fighting with that popped off of it when I picked it up there. So, and well guys, that's about it for my Facebook Marketplace score. And I don't know, just one more thing added to the Bosch tool collection. I'm super thrilled. So I guess I just need to learn how to really use it, and hopefully this will last me a lifetime. And yeah, just like the other Bosch tools I got. So yeah, time to learn how to do some woodworking. Alright guys, appreciate you watching. As always, like, subscribe,